Hey guys, so we are going to review the foundation bomb, Blue Map Foundation Bomb ng Berry. All the selected shade honey, caramel, and oatmeal. So I'm in the shade honey. So ito yung ano natin. As you can see, ang ganda sa skin. It's a foundation bomb. So foundation bomb na tas ang ganda ng effects sa skin. No wonder this is a TikTok trend and it blends very well, and you can use this balm plus foundation. This would be good more on skin, and all in one. I love it. It's same with the formula with the Melly, and you should try the base here. So as you can see, maganda siyang gamitin. It's one swipe pa lang is na ano yung product. Pero ang problema lang sa akin is dry lang. Pero dry lang, may konting bakbak. Pero on the out ka, maganda siyang gamitin. Pero you need to use it with the foundation. That's all I can say.